Gonna be changing these marker lights today. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. And remember, you guys are the MVP. What's up, Motoville Posse? Back with another banger today. I got a new marker lights. This is what comes in the box. Got this off Amazon. Gives you some instructions. Got this little tool set here. Take off these two bolts here. One more screw up top to take off. Got the starboard on there. Peel this back. Up top here, there's a clip, push down. And then on the bottom, push it up. Once you got it out here, push this clip in. Pull the light out. Want to put this back in. Get your new one. Slide it in. Let's give her a test. Lit up. Put your screws back in the liner. Let's see what's going on with the front. Same star bit. You could turn the tire to get more room here too. Alright, same thing. Pull this liner back. You push this down to get the top off. Push that to get the bottom off. There's no screws or anything. There's only screws to get the liner off. This is a daytime test. Curious to see what they end up looking like at night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and subscribe. A lot more coming. This build's just getting started.